AJ, yes, I am here with a special presentation. My name is Eric Cornish, voice of the Valley for OVW Wrestling, and I am so happy to be here in Wisconsin for the first time in my life, so thank you for welcoming me. And I can tell you this, we've got a lot of fans there in Louisville, Kentucky, but the number 2 place for fans of OVW is right here in the Milwaukee area. Thank you so much for being fans of OVW. But it's not about that tonight. As a matter of fact, we've got a very special guest to welcome to the ring. This person is from one of the best families in professional wrestling of all time. This person is a legend in his own right. Please welcome the natural Dustin Rhodes! Brawl.
Hey everybody, man, pro wrestling is hot right now, isn't it? This is my first Blizzard Brawl, and I've watched all of them, and I love what Dave Hero's done here. And after each one, they just keep getting better and better, and the fans keep getting louder and bigger. It's pretty damn awesome. Putting on a first-class show and doing such a wonderful job. The real reason that it's a success is because of you. Each and every one of you are true pro wrestling fans. You like your old school stuff, right? That means a lot to me because over 5 decades, 35 years in the business, I have seen and done every single thing possible and imaginable in the pro wrestling industry. And it has been an honor to step in this ring, to step in any ring in front of you, because you make it nice for me. And I love you for that. Thank you. And I know a lot of people come out and say the same thing, but I truly do mean this from the bottom of my heart. Without you, I am nothing. Okay? Where's that young man I saw in the front row that had a Cody shirt on? He had a Cody shirt on. Y'all like Cody? Y'all ready for him to come back? Son, the next time I come into this building, if I ever do again, which I hope I do, you better have a Dustin Rhodes shirt on. Get back. I'm just kidding. I love my brother. Thank you very, very much, guys. 32, 33, 34 years, man. Y'all have stood beside me through the ups, through the downs. You've been there. You have not faltered. You have not failed me. You have shown every single passion, love, and honor to somebody that anybody possibly can. And I appreciate that very much. This is my last year. probably going to be my last year in the business. In the ring. What? 4 more years? Oh my God, no. Jesus Christ. Hopefully my knees can take it. One more match. Don't worry, it's okay, guys. I'm not going right away. Wait, this is my first Blizzard Brawl. I've loved it, man. I've loved everyone that I've watched. This one's really special. What a crazy group of people here, man. It's awesome. You guys are smart. How about that Layla and Tiffany match? Anyways, thank you for coming tonight. And before you guys leave tonight, if I get a chance, I want to come out here and I want to thank and shake your hands, each and every one of you. Okay, so please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much.